anybody on this team. Oh, that's close. Their team really awesome today. Is it because I'm here?
Okay, the puck chasing of this team is crazy.
Oh.
Point! Stop, back up!
Oh, shit! Jump! That's in the way.
Get your point! Send it! Send it!
It's you, Cal.
Put it on there, guys.
Are they only giving 1 minute penalty?
They were this morning too.
Let's go, Preds! Pass it to your D. There you go. Control it. Come on.
Hit him! Put a body on him!
Did you say hit him? Diesel's back. His concussion is like 100%.
Diesel was...
Oh, that's right. Someone slashed him and broke his wrist.
I thought it was Chris.
Oh no, he was
banging people
board. Get the rebound. Oh, good job, Cal.
I was trying to get his own rebound.
Well, he should have. Should have skated faster, dude. Okay, good. Get it, get it. Let's go, Preds! Yeah, it was like head contact there.
Those are the numbers as well.
Ow! Come on, Lightning.
Oh, yeah!
Confused with that call, but job, Annabelle. Here you go. Congrats. Oh, so close. Come on, Annabelle. Shoot it, shoot it. Go! Oh, so close. Go, Vincent. Shoot it on net. Oh, so close. Oh, you need to get there, guys. Come on. Spread out.
Where is it?
Get it. Oh my gosh, everybody like missed it. You're new this year?
No, he's not graduating.
Oh, is this new this year? Come on, guys.
BYU took him.
BYU did? Aww. You got it.
Oh.
That's it.
I guess he wants to play any more hockey. He's doing stick time or a drop in.
League.
Yeah.
Go. That should have been a high stick to the face, guys. Come on.
Skate, Cody.
Net, Cody, net! Come on, Paxton, be ready!
Oh, come on, Cody. Go, Cody.
Nice job, Jackson!
Cody, get that, Cody.
Come on, guys, get it in. I can't see that corner, so hopefully nothing sketch goes down there over there.
Yeah, point, Cody.
How is this kid like on this kid is on Kobe's head. It was like grabbing Cody's head. Call that one? No? Okay.
Well, it was like a pile of their own team, right?
I know, but then Mackay was trying to get it, so the kid like swiped his feet out from underneath him. Come on, Cody.
Let's go, Oscar!
Oh, nice.
Go for chase, go for chase.
Get in there,
not the time to like. Nice, do the 5-hole. Let's go Preds! Caleb. Ladies. Oh, shoot it in! Oh, so close!
Come on, we have numbers.
Calvin, you're so good in there. What are you doing? Go, Caleb. Shoot it! Oh, so close. That works. Is back out. Nice, Cal. Oh, Calvin. Not nice, Calvin. Come on. Good job. Control, guys. Where are you hitting it to? Oh. Oh my gosh. They are not skating it. Extra. Watch out. They should have warnings. Slippery when frozen. Alvin, wake up! See that is to do. Good job, Riker. Woo!
Stay at the point, B. Stay at your point.
Pass it in front. Pass it in front. Come on, guys. Hit it. Shoot it, Riker.
Nice,
There
Cody.
you go. Pass it. Load. Oh.
Okay, Cody!
Got it. Get it again. Go D's. Go D's. You got it. You got it. Oh. You don't got it.
Get that beam!
Come on, guys. Come on, Brax. Yep.
Point! Point, B!
Clear now!
Pass it in front. Go, D's. Come on, D's. There's nobody there. Okay, that's good. Oh. You needed to pass it all the way across. Get there. Yes, come on, Jack. Woo. Come on. Brody. Good job. It was loose. That's cool.
Go!
They It was loose. Shouldn't have blown your whistle. Still in play.
Oh, Adam's screaming.
Loose. Nice. Nice lightning. Way to show your true colors. Oh, so close. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No Preds!
On to each other.
Somebody needs to be on the other side.
Go get it!
Help him.
Who are you passing that to? Come on, Calvin.
Offside! Offside!
Let's go, Landon.
Nice try.
Go through him, guys! Don't let him shoot! Somebody on point!
Oh, Cal. You got it.
Follow it! Follow it! Come on!
Get it to Landon.
Nice. Kobe. Go, go, Kobe. Oh, so close. Come on, Mackay, keep it in. Come on, Cal. Center it. Diesel. Pass it to Diesel. Pass it. Pass it.
Take it all the way! Go!
Faster, Calvin.
Call it!
Good job. Nice play. Go, Caleb. Ooh, nice try. Riker, just shoot it to net. Oh. Woo! Nice shot. Was that- This defense came. Oh, elbow, elbow. Come on, guys. Good job, Riker. Come on, Vinny. Ooh. Go, Riker.
Come on, guys! Pressure!
Oh, so close. Come on, Riker. Oh, you got a new stick?
It's been games yesterday.
Nice.
Like he brought it in the house and just kept holding it.
Oh, that's so cute. Feel it. So nice, right? Oh, it's videotaping the ground. I'm so sorry. I was not even videotaping. Ooh. It's like this rink. I have to like go down so far when I'm going center. I forget to like, I have to go like down, get center, and then I have to go like back up, and I always forget to go back up. It was traveling. Oh yeah, yeah, go Kobe. sister was like, I signed them up, it'll be good for him. Is Riker doing it? Oh, good.
We did the one at Park City last year,
Oh, you did?
and it was horrible because it was still so snowy. So I
Yeah.
vowed never again am I going to the
Yeah, right? They got a ton of snow up there. Nice pass. Go Diesel. Nice pass. Go Drax. Whoa! Whoa! That went way high. Ooh. Come on, Coop. Ooh. Nice, Coop. Center it, center it. Oh, man. Go. Oh, go. Oh, okay, look. Come on, right here. Oh, nice pass. Yeah, it is harder, definitely. But it's possible. Get an assist. Oh! Then he's looking for a hat trick. And he was like back there too, so like could you really tell if it was on the blue line or not? Offside. That was definitely offside though. I know, right? Seriously.
I was reading like hockey rules for dummies or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. I just wonder, like, how do people like come up with these games? Like, they play it and they're like, oh, we need this rule. Oh. Same team, guys. Come on. Offsides again. That thing at the end of the range. Oh, nice. Calvin, wake up!
It looks like that actually was the first goal that they had written.
Oh, so close.
No,
Oh yeah, now it's 5, yeah. So she probably put up the, is it a he or a she? They probably put up the other one and then they were like, oh wait. Come on, Cal.
Here we go,
Pass it fast. Come on, Cal. Why are you not playing smart? Nice, get it out, get it out. Yeah. Whoa.
Go, Eli! Go, go, go! Skate! Nice! Beautiful!
One more.
Good job. Oh. I can't see what's happening over there. Sorry, guys.
We're all hugging on the wall.
Oh, nice. Are they playing nice? That's good. That's good. That's nice of them. Hugging. Giving high fives. Couple knuckles. Oh, or doing that. Sure, that's nice. Not. Good job, Riker. Poke it, poke it. Oh, nice shot of that.
Pressure, guys, come on.
Yeah, Riker. Good job. Nice pass. Sweet goal, Brax. Let's go, Preds! Oh, okay, that works. This is Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Mikhail. Pass it, pass it. I know, so did I. Come on, Grady. Is it 7-0? No, it's only 6-0. On the line is in. On the line is in still. Has to come all the way off the line. Jack. Don't mess up, Cal. I mean, I just think something like, oh yeah, like that. Nice, Cal. Who was that to? Sorry, I forgot I'm videotaping. That's what he said to his brother. So I figure it's like, yeah, Carla. Who was that to? Come on, Diesel. Come on, Caleb.
Our own children, what do you say to us?
Yeah. Totally.
Go, Cody! Do it again!
Who was that to? Come on, Deez. Poke it. Oh, nice job, Alette. To the same person. Who was that to? Huh? Come on, Brooke. Oh, do the Braxton. Pass it or shoot it. Okay, well now you have to like not lose it. Not lose it. There you go. Nice, Brax. Oh. Wait, Diesel's 22?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, where's Bryson? Is he not playing anymore? Is he not playing this tournament? Is he okay? Did he get injured again?
I'm going to assume he's injured. I don't know.
Oh no, what is this? is like I don't know what that is. Sorry, I can't help you.
It's all good. Penalty shoots like this. It's like similar to even now.
Yeah, that would be this. It's called running. Do the running man.
I'm good at that one.
I know, right? Wait, sorry, I didn't go down far enough.
Then I got this one. I don't like his face.
He had a mean look on his face.
Give an attitude.
Seriously. Behind you. Good job, Enzo. Come on, Calvin. Get on the ice slower. He got stuck on the other side of the door. Oh, he is, yeah. Woo. That's close. We're hugging on the
From
board.
behind.
Don't ref for the refs. They're going to get you. Oh! Whoa! That's a nice one. Hopefully you can hit the sticks. Stick to stick.
Wait, you've been playing all day.
Lightning Preds are not happy. They're yelling at the ref. Oh, nice save. And I didn't check the number. This kid looks bigger than the first one, but that's why. Come on, Brody. Oh, a nice scratch.
Good luck, guys.
I wish I could see.
Good luck, Gal. Good point. Good point. Around the net, let it get that. There you go. And send it. No one was there. No one was there.
Get into the couch room?
You just go upstairs.
What? Come on, Annabelle, hustle! Good hustle. You could walk on the track at the peaks.
I walk around those bleachers constantly.
Right?
I get dizzy, it's so small.
I know. And people like will run around those. I'm like, it's way too many like.
I won't run on concrete.
Come on, Riker, shoot it in. Oh, you almost had your goal, Riker. Do it again. No, 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 no.